Hi, fourth grade, Mrs. Tice here. So last week, if you were on Seesaw with us, you saw that we were studying Mozart and you guys made a postcard for me. But today I thought instead of doing really paperwork, work, we're gonna play a game. Who said learning has to be boring? Today we're gonna dabble in something called chance composition. You know that Mozart loved playing games. He loved to play chess, he loved to go bowling, and he also liked to shoot pool. But the one thing that he really liked to dabble in was something called chance compositions. And he would take a die and he would assign letter names to numbers. And then whatever number came up, that's the letter name that he would use in his composition. Today we're going to be using rhythms instead of letter names. So the four rhythms that you're going to work with today will be as follows. You'll use the quarter note, a ta. You'll use a TT. That gets one beat. You'll use the quarter rest, one beat of quiet. And we'll use the tika tika. This is one beat too. I showed you 4 beats in all. So what you're going to need for this is either going to be one die. If you don't have a dice at home, if you have a game that has a spinner, go ahead and use the spinner. If you don't even have that, take 6 little pieces of paper, rip them up and put a number 1 through 6 on each of the pieces of paper, and then have your family member pull out a number for you. So for mine, I'm going to give my quarter notes. If it lands on a 1 or a 5, it's going to be a quarter note for me. If it lands on a 2, I'm going to make that a TT. If it lands on 3 or the number 6, I'm going to assign the quarter rest for it. So I'm going to do one with you. So let's say I roll it. Hey, it came up a 4. So a 4 on mine will be a tika tika. So when you write your rhythm, when you go to Seesaw, you'll see that I provided a template for you, and it has it there. Your first rhythm, you always want to write really close to the time signature. Okay, if I did another one, let's see, that was a 1, and a 1 is a ta. Remember, you need 4 beats in each. Now, to save some time, oh look, through the magic of television, I have one. So here was mine. Now what you're going to have to do for me then is you're going to have to say your rhythm for me. So I would practice. Here's my rhythm. Tika tika ta, tika tika ta, ta, rest, tika tika ta. What I want you to do is practice that over and over again. Try to say your rhythm with a steady beat. And then when you're ready, I want you to push the microphone button on your Seesaw and record it for me. I can't wait to see what your chance compositions are. Now remember, you might have 2 numbers that come up in a row. It's okay. It's a chance composition. And get working. I'll see you on Seesaw. Bye.